Welcome to Future Cars Updates, your destination for the latest and most exciting developments in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the innovative 2025 Volvo Motorhome, a true game-changer in the world of mobile living and travel. Volvo, renowned for its commitment to safety, innovation, and sustainability, has reimagined the motorhome experience with this stunning creation. The design is a perfect blend of luxury, practicality, and cutting-edge technology, making it an ideal choice for adventurers who crave comfort and convenience on the road. The exterior of the 2025 Volvo Motorhome features a futuristic yet aerodynamic profile, crafted with advanced lightweight materials. Its bold lines and signature Volvo grille give it a distinctive look that's both elegant and robust. Integrated solar panels on the roof not only enhance sustainability but also provide power for all your essential needs during your journey. Under the hood, the Volvo Motorhome is powered by an electric drivetrain, offering zero-emissions travel without compromising on performance. The motorhome boasts an impressive range, thanks to its advanced battery technology, ensuring you can explore even the most remote destinations without worrying about recharging. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a luxurious interior that feels more like a high-end apartment than a motorhome. The spacious layout includes a fully equipped kitchen, a cozy living area, and a comfortable sleeping space, all designed with premium materials and a minimalist aesthetic. Smart storage solutions maximize space, making every inch functional and efficient. Tech enthusiasts will appreciate the state-of-the-art features packed into this motorhome. The integrated infotainment system provides seamless connectivity, while the advanced driver assistance systems ensure safety and ease of operation. The digital control hub lets you monitor and adjust everything, from climate settings to energy usage, all with a simple touch. Volvo's commitment to sustainability extends to the materials used in the interior, with eco-friendly fabrics and recycled components contributing to a greener future. Additionally, the motorhome's off-grid capabilities make it perfect for nature lovers who want to minimize their environmental impact. As the 2025 Volvo Motorhome glides effortlessly through winding roads and serene landscapes, it's clear that this vehicle isn't just a mode of transport, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, this motorhome promises an unparalleled travel experience. Thanks for tuning in to Future Cars Updates. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the most innovative vehicles shaping the future of travel. See you next time.